Hi everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. So for today's video, I accept the challenge from Leek Family Farm. The challenge is eating raw egg. So whatever egg is that, egg from a duck, a chicken, or whatever. So just only one. So actually I brought this to the school. I thought of doing the challenge, for doing the video in school, but of course because of the busy, you know, business. I hope it's still okay. Okay, so I have to crack it. It is raw and fresh. I hope it's still fresh. So I hope it will not halaka. Kaya wala siya sa kuan. Wala siya sa igbaw. Wala ko sa igbaw na kuan. Okay. Okay pa siya. Hala, okay pa man siya. Okay. So, ayan na. Ay! Yum. Yummy! I love it. Gusto ko yung ano niya, gusto ko yung taste niya, yung pagdating sa yellow na gani, na egg yolk. Gusto ko yung taste niya. Pero yung sa slimy, parang something, you know. But, here I am! Kumasa ako sa challenge. So, whoever you are, kung kakasakayo sa challenge, so sana ay mag-upload din kayo ng video, and then the basis here na bibigyan kayo ng cash is that more views. Okay, if you have the higher views, then you are the winner. And then because of this, parang I want more, pero wala na akong eggs. Ito na lang talaga kasi na prito ko kanina. So, ito na lang. So, it's your turn. Life with Burak Day. Miss Carol Vlog. Kuya Jeffer TV. Ma'am SRC. Sam Francis. Ano pa yan? Ang kakasa ng challenge na ito. Yum. Thank you so much for watching. I hope nga kakasa ka rin sa challenge na ito. Only one naman. Sana mayroon pa akong ibang egg para makain ko 3 sana. Pero naluto ko kanina. Thank you so much for watching, Ma'am Leek Family. Okay ba? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this challenge. The only challenge na akong gina-accept for in my whole life. Thank you so much para lang sa video na ito. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.